Hello, this is Kaiser. Today I will tell you about a complete plan of making a WordPress website. This video only for those people who want to make a WordPress website for himself or his client. As a newbie doesn't know which domain hosting plan is the best plan. Also he doesn't know which is the best theme and the page builder for making a WordPress website. Great. I'll try to show you everything. Firstly, you need a domain for your website. What's the domain? Simply, a domain is a name of your website. After that, you need a hosting for store all information. Hosting is a server where they save you all website informations like images, text, video, etc. I suggest you to buy domain hosting from this trusted site. From this, they provide 24/7 hours live support. Link in the description below. Please check. There are so many domain hosting provider here, but I recommend to use this cheapest domain hosting and trusted site. I recommend this. Link in this description box. I think you understand. Secondly, you need to download and install WordPress in your hosting. This is totally free. Get WordPress totally free. Check the link below. You don't need to buy it. This is the time of choosing best theme for in your WordPress website. Your website structure depends on your theme which you have used in your site. Let's go see which is the number one theme in the world. So simply I search it in the Google which is the number one theme in the world. Number one theme which is the number one theme in the world. Just a second, please wait just a second. The best, most popular WordPress theme of 2021. I just click it and open the site. Just a minute, it's slow. Yes, I got it. Number one is the Divi. Let's introduce about Divi. Divi is one of the most popular multi-purpose website theme on the market. It is created by Elegant Theme, one of the leading WordPress theme shops in the world. Divi comes with a build, drag and drop builder. This is not a theme. It's also a page builder. You can create any type of layout. You also get 23-minute theme layout right out the box that you can use the jump start your new project. Also, check out this highly customized child theme. Divi allows you to save your custom layout in the Divi library, so you can reuse them later as needed. Read the complete Divi review. So I got the number one theme in the world, Divi. Number two, Alta theme. Number three, Astra theme. Number four, Ocean WP. Number 5, number 6, Studio Press. Number 7, Avada themes. There's more, so many themes here. But number one themes in the world, Divi, because Divi is not only a theme, it's also a page builder. So I highly recommend to use Divi theme because it's a page builder. So I'll give you the Divi theme link where you can get 50 to 60% off when you buy it. I will give the link in description below. If you don't use Divi, or if you need any other themes, then you have to use a page builder also. So I recommend to use Elementor Pro page builder. Elementor Pro page builder. This is also another most popular page builder in the world. You can use this. You can use this when you use another theme, not Divi. So here is so many plan popular. This one, when you clicking by link, you can. So I recommend you use Divi theme, but because it's a drag and drop page builder, it's an easy drag and drop page builder, mobile responsive, and so many functionality. I hope you understand. I hope you get a beginner. As a beginner, you got a total plan for your WordPress website. Thank you very much.